Hello and good afternoon. We are here with all the important topics right before the US stock market rings the bell. General Motors, GM, and South Korea's LG Energy Solution and LG Electronics have reached a settlement to establish a $150 million fund aimed at compensating Chevrolet Bolt EV owners affected by defective batteries. This agreement follows numerous complaints and recalls initiated in 2020 due to battery fires in some vehicles. Owners who have had their batteries replaced or who have installed the latest diagnostic software may qualify for compensation. Specifically, Bolt owners who installed the final software remedy before December 31, 2023, may receive up to $1,400, while those who sold or terminated their lease before the software update or already received a battery replacement will get a minimum of $700. GM ceased production of the Bolt EV last year to focus on new electric vehicle models. This settlement is part of a broader recall campaign initiated in 2021, which led to a $1 billion recall and a 6-month halt in Bolt production and sales. Microsoft has announced plans to introduce advanced micro devices, AMD MI300X AI chips, through its Azure Cloud computing service, providing an alternative to Nvidia's high-demand H100 GPUs. This move is part of Microsoft's strategy to offer more choices to customers building AI models and applications who typically need clusters of GPUs due to large data and computational needs. The announcement, detailed ahead of the Build Developer Conference, also includes a preview of the new Cobalt 100 custom processors, which boast 40% better performance compared to other processors based on ARM Holdings technology. These Cobalt processors are being tested for Microsoft's business messaging tool, Teams, and are positioned to compete with Amazon's Graviton CPUs. AMD projects $4 billion in AI chip revenue this year, indicating significant market potential. Microsoft's inclusion of AMD and its own in-house AI chips, Maya, aims to diversify its offerings in the competitive AI infrastructure market. Proxy advisor Glass Lewis has recommended Hess shareholders vote in favor of Chevron's $53 billion all-stock acquisition offer at the upcoming special meeting on May 28th. The deal, which aims to capitalize on Hess's 30% stake in Guyana's lucrative offshore oil fields, is considered strategically and financially sound by Glass Lewis. Despite an arbitration case filed by ExxonMobil and China's CNOOC claiming a right of first refusal over Hess's Guyana assets, the outcome remains uncertain. Chevron could withdraw from the agreement without compensating Hess shareholders if the arbitration favors Exxon and CNOOC. The Exxon-led joint venture in Guyana has discovered over 11 billion barrels of recoverable oil at the Stabroek block since 2015, with plans to increase production to 1.2 million barrels per day by 2027. Regulatory approval from the U.S. Federal Trade Commission is still pending. Meanwhile, other advisory firms are split, with Institutional Shareholder Services urging abstention from voting until more details emerge, while pensions and investment research consultants support the merger. This is all we have for you this week. We are MEXEM TV, and we will be here next week, same place, same time. Goodbye.